just start this question. So first of all, I reflecting A over X's. So some student asked me why it's not reflecting over Y. Why am over Y? Because it's already on the Y. How do I reflecting a number which is already on the Y to reflecting over Y? Okay, so there are some students said, I can reflecting B. I can reflecting B at -6 and 1. Yes, you're right. You can reflecting B over Y, of course. But everybody, let me connect it A and B. Does this one have any inflection with axis? Does this intersect axis? No, not at all. So that's why it's useless doing something like that, okay? So if we want to find out the point which is located on axis, we of course reflecting over axis. Okay, so now the second thing we're doing is connect A, comma, and B.
Connect A and B?
A, comma, yeah. Okay, so connect that. And our P is actually located here.
Wait, I have a question.
Which is something and 0, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, because it's always like that. So now we need to find out the linear equation of A, comma, B. Correct? So now we have y equals mx plus b. So I have a question again for Jason because he is obviously very clear about if we're lucky or not lucky. So for this data, are we lucky?
No.
Huh? We're lucky. We know y equals mx minus 5, correct? We're lucky because we know the point located on y. That's the point of, that's a symbol of lucky. Lucky symbol. Lucky symbol. We have this one, okay? No, the lucky symbol should be horseshoes. Horseshoe, like that.
Wait, shouldn't it be a clover?
Yeah, okay, clover.
That looks like a basil.
Okay, whatever, just like that. I'm really bad at drawing.
But I have a question.
Yeah, what's your question, Jason?
What happens if I reflected B instead of A?
Yeah, I'm going to do that later.
All right.
Okay, so let's do this one first, because why I'm doing this is because I want to keep the lucky sign, Jason. If you're reflecting B, yeah, it's still lucky, but it doesn't matter, okay? So I just do this because for me, it's easier because, you know, if I'm using A reflecting A comma, it's just to change nothing but the value on the y-axis, correct? Because A is 0, so X is 0, so I don't have to do anything. So I plug in this one, so 6 and 1 into that means when X equals 6, Y equals 1. So when X equals 6, Y equals 1. So M times 6 minus 5. So 6M equals 6. M equals 1. So we have the equation equals Y equals X plus, X minus B. X minus 5, right? Okay, so now this, we already know when Y equals 0, X equals what? X equals 5. So it's 5, 0. Sorry, my drawing is really bad. It should be here. Correct? Okay, so as Jason's request, Jason said, I don't want to reflecting A. I want to reflecting B. Is it okay? Of course it is okay. Let me just do reflecting B, okay? Because still 6 and 1, that's B. So when we're reflecting B equals what? 6 and -1. B. And then I connected A and B. Oh, this one's much better. Like that. Okay, so I connected. So this is a line, right?
Yeah.
So this is a line. So let's see. We have a line go through A, 0, 5, and B, comma, 6 and -1. So again, we're lucky. So we have Y equals MX plus B equals MX plus 5. Right now, I put this one inside equals -1 equals M times 6 plus 5. So 6m equals -6, so m equals -1. So we have the
Yeah.
equation y equals -x plus 5. Still, when y equals 0, x equals what? -x plus 5 equals 0, so x equals 5. So we still get 5, 0. Get it,
Oh wait,
Jason?
shoot.
So no matter
Yes,
how,
I
we're the
completely
same.
get it.
No matter how, it's the same. Good job, Oliver. You get it right. Good job. Oliver 发了一个很多很多问号，大概100个问号, so like 100 question marks, but it's really good. Good job. Okay, get it, everybody? So I'm going to clear everything, okay? So last questions, okay? Oh,
Yes.
yeah, last
To
questions,
redeem
okay?
myself.
Last questions. So the last question will be a little bit hard, is 1, 3, and no. And 5, 1. Okay, so 1, 3, and 5, 1. There's no lucky thing at all. Just find out a P located on axis and making AP and plus BP equals the smallest. Okay, so everybody, your turn.